In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default font and font size in Microsoft Excel. This is a useful setting to update if you want every new workbook to start with the font style and size you prefer. Instead of changing the text formatting again and again each time you open Excel, you can set your default once and let Excel apply it automatically to new files going forward. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and look to the top left corner of the window. Click the File tab. This will open the main menu where Excel keeps its app-wide settings and configuration options. Next, look at the green navigation panel on the left side. Scroll all the way to the bottom if needed, then click Options. When you do this, the Excel Options window should appear on your screen. Take a moment to make sure that this larger settings window has opened properly, because this is where you can control the default behavior for new workbooks. From the list on the left side of the Excel Options window, click General. This section contains the most common startup and workbook creation settings. Once you are in the General tab, move over to the Settings area on the right and scroll down until you find the section called When Creating New Workbooks. In that section, you will see a setting labeled Use this as the default font. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose the font style you want Excel to use automatically in the future. For example, you might prefer a clean font like Arial or Sego UI. Pick the one that best matches the look you want for your spreadsheets. Right below that, you will also see the font size setting. Click the drop-down menu next to font size and choose the size you want to use as your new default. Common choices are 11 or 12, depending on how large or small you want your text to appear in new workbooks. After you have selected both your preferred font and your preferred font size, go to the bottom right corner of the Excel Options window and click OK. This saves your changes. Keep in mind that this update applies to new workbooks you create after changing the setting. It will not automatically change the font in existing Excel files. If needed, you can always repeat the same process later and choose a different default. That covers everything you need to know.